Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
Excavator Weed Grapple Brute Force Hydraulics. It's not just cutting, it's ripping out the entire root system to reclaim a choked waterway. Robotic floor layer. But raw power isn't enough. Here, lasers map the room while tulip topping machine. This isn't for bouquets, it's about energy. Topping the flowers drives the plant. Hot steel coiling. At over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, this steel is in its plastic state, making it pliable. The Teddy Bear Steam Clean high-pressure steam, well over 220 degrees Fahrenheit, sanitizes deep within the fabric. Flame polishing seats. A controlled pass with a torch melts the UV-degraded surface of the plastic. Metal roof cutter. This isn't just cutting, it's a shear. Instead of a saw blade creating dust, it cleanly slices the metal roofing to a perfect length. Motorcycle logging. In places where heavy machinery can't go, human strength and incredible balance get the job done. A true testament to grit. Automated quilting machine. This is G-code in action. The machine follows a precise digital path to create a perfect honeycomb pattern at incredible speed. Tomato harvester. This marvel of engineering picks, sorts, and conveys thousands of pounds of tomatoes an hour. Chain-making machine. Each link is formed, intertwined, and precisely cut in a fraction of a second. A beautiful capsule filling machine. In pharmaceuticals, precision is life or death. This machine a standard American male voice similar to the voice of a popular tech entertainment YouTube channel. The tone must be road sign cleaner. This specialized brush fed with purified water removes years of road grime without scratching the reflective surface, ensuring a clear. Carpet steam extraction. That's not just steam, it's a hot water extraction process that injects and immediately. It begins with a skilled hand. This stump brush uses joint compound for a classic drywall rosebud texture. To scale up, we build machines. This one performs industrial origami, folding hundreds of boxes an hour. Then there's raw power. This 500 horsepower John Deere tames the earth using triple wheels to reduce soil compaction. That power can be focused. A hydraulic splitter uses nearly 800,000 psi to fracture solid rock without explosives. Sometimes brute force is the point. This high-torque shredder makes short work of recycling thick steel tanks. But that same force can create. This press uses a die to permanently emboss a pattern onto flatware. This industrial drum chipper unrolls entire logs into biomass, turning waste into a valuable resource. And on a smaller scale, this simple slicer turns a potato into a perfect continuous spiral. Back on the job site, this vibratory screed uses high-frequency vibrations to level and consolidate concrete. From foundations to fashion, this cylinder arm machine has the power to stitch through the toughest leather. And to maintain our land, this excavator's mowing bucket combs waterways clean with hydraulic precision. Ingenuity isn't always giant. This simple conveyor is a brilliant back-saving solution for loading grain. Here, programmed G-code becomes art as a CNC router carves a perfect clock face from a slab of wood. For every act of creation, there's one of deconstruction. This shredder doesn't care about your tricycle. A mechanical harvester shakes the plants, while an optical sorter helps separate red tomatoes from green ones. By removing air, vacuum sealing dramatically reduces the volume for shipping and extends shelf life by months. This router jig creates perfect interlocking dovetail joints, one of the strongest and most beautiful joints in woodworking. The articulating frame on this oxbow merger allows us to collect hay from a massive 40-foot swath. An excavator attachment that forms perfect snowballs for building large winter displays. Ingenuity can be fun. That isn't a sprinkler. It's an intelligent fire suppression unit that deploys an extinguishing agent with pinpoint accuracy. This maypole-style braider weaves multiple strands in a complex dance to create a strong, uniform rope. Watch the bottom plate. It uses spring-loaded pressure to hold the piece steady while the piercing die works. A simple pneumatic press ensures each roller bearing is seated at the exact same depth for smooth operation. In a standard organic farming technique, these propane flamers hit over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit to kill weeds without herbicide. The machine gently lifts the onions, and the rotating bars knock off excess dirt before they're graded. This is a custom gantry excavator. It's elevated to straddle railway cars, loading them without blocking the track. A standard ring-spinning frame, the worker is replacing full bobbins with empty ones, a process called doffing. That FAE mulching head uses carbide teeth spinning at thousands of RPM to vaporize trees into mulch. That's a hydraulic plate compactor, or OPEC, focusing the excavator's force to create a solid foundation. A CNC wood lathe. It's following a digital G-code file to turn that square block into a perfect spindle. That's garlic-infused liquor. A simple manual line is often more cost-effective for specialty small-batch products. Those are sock boarding fluids. Steam and heat are applied to give the socks their final shape and a smooth finish. A mobile pallet wrapper for socks. Wrapping them on site keeps the roll Storing them on site keeps the rolls tight and moist for transport. The temper colors are created by carefully heating the steel. Each color corresponds to a specific temperature. An old-school mechanical punch press. The sheer momentum of that massive flywheel provides the force. The simplest solutions are often the best. This fabric slide is a cheap way to load a container without damage. This automated rolling machine uses perfectly spaced rollers to create a tight, uniform roll for easy packaging. This isn't paint. He's applying a dark stain that soaks into the soft grain, creating a dramatic two-tone effect.